Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Mini Clippers is probably one of the most versatile and essential grooming tools available today, offering unparalleled precision and convenience for a wide range of personal care needs, from detailed haircuts and beard trims to pet grooming and crafting projects, making them an indispensable addition to any household looking for efficient and effective grooming solutions. Number 5. MERIDIAN the Trimmer Original. Meet the Trimmer Original, designed for ultimate comfort and precision. It's your go-to solution for grooming any part of your body with ease. Specifically engineered for men's grooming needs, this electric shaver handles everything from pubic hair to chest and legs. Achieve a clean and smooth finish every time. Enjoy the convenience of a waterproof design, perfect for use in the shower. Plus, it's rechargeable, ensuring it's always ready when you are. This versatile trimmer is ideal for all your body hair needs, including sensitive areas like the bikini line. Experience a gentle yet effective shave. Experience the MERIDIAN difference with the Trimmer Original. It combines advanced technology with user-friendly design for a superior grooming experience. Achieve your perfect look effortlessly. This trimmer is designed to give you the confidence that comes with a well-groomed appearance. What we like. This trimmer is specifically designed for men's body grooming needs. It handles pubic hair, chest, and legs with ease. If you're looking for a reliable tool for overall male grooming, this is a great choice. What people say. The mini clippers are very sharp and cut hair smoothly. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to maneuver. They are lightweight and portable, perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. Number 4. ONEISALL Double Blades Dog Clippers, White. Discover the innovative ONEISALL dog clippers, designed for precise grooming of your beloved pet. Featuring advanced double blades, this trimmer ensures a smooth and efficient grooming experience for your dog. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. It's perfect for trimming hair around sensitive areas without any hassle. Designed with low-noise technology, it keeps your pet calm and comfortable during grooming sessions. Easily groom the delicate areas like paws, eyes, ears, face, and rump. Achieve a neat and tidy look effortlessly. This small pet hair grooming trimmer is ideal for maintaining your dog's appearance. It provides gentle care for their coat. What we like. Featuring double blades and quiet operation, this trimmer is perfect for delicate pet grooming. It's excellent for trimming around paws, eyes, and face. If you have a pet that gets anxious around loud clippers, this one is for you. What people say. The mini clippers are surprisingly powerful for their size, easily cutting through thick hair without snagging. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to maneuver for detailed trimming and styling. Battery life is impressive, lasting for several full haircuts on a single charge, which is very convenient. Number 3. MANSPOT Manscape Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. Meet the revolutionary trimmer designed for men's grooming needs. It offers a safe and comfortable experience for sensitive areas. This electric shaver is specifically built for your groin and body hair. Its design ensures a smooth shave without nicks or cuts. It comes as a complete kit, including 4 guards to customize your trim length. Achieve the look you desire with ease. Featuring replaceable ceramic blade heads, this device is built to last. It's waterproof, allowing for convenient wet or dry use. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of shaving time on a single charge. This ensures you can complete your grooming routine without interruption. Upgrade your grooming routine with this essential tool. It provides a clean, precise, and comfortable shave every time. What we like. This trimmer is engineered for manscaping, focusing on groin and body hair. Its replaceable ceramic blades ensure a safe and precise shave. If you prioritize a safe and effective grooming experience for sensitive areas, this is the one to consider. What people say. The mini clippers are very sharp and cut through hair smoothly. The ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The cordless feature provides great freedom of movement and convenience. Number 2. Veeconn 4-in-1 Pet Grooming Kit, Pink. Introducing the Veeconn 4-in-1 Pet Grooming Kit. Achieve professional grooming results right in the comfort of your home. Designed with low-noise technology, this tool ensures a stress-free grooming experience for your pet. It's gentle on their sensitive areas. This versatile kit is perfect for trimming nails, paws, and even grooming facial hair. It handles various grooming needs with ease. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its rechargeable battery provides ample power for grooming sessions without the hassle of cords. Whether you have a dog or a cat, this grooming tool is safe and effective. It's designed for the delicate needs of your furry companions. This stylish pink grooming kit is not only functional but also adds a touch of flair. Make grooming a pleasant experience for both you and your pet. What we like. This is a truly multifunctional grooming kit for your pet, offering shaving and nail grinding. Its low-noise operation is gentle on sensitive animals. If you want a single, convenient tool for multiple pet grooming tasks, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The mini clippers are very quiet and do not scare my cat. They are small and easy to handle, making grooming less stressful. The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting through multiple grooming sessions. Number 1. Veeconn Dog Clippers Grooming Kit. Introducing the Veeconn Dog Clippers Grooming Kit, designed for a comfortable grooming experience. This kit offers a low-noise solution for trimming your pet's fur and nails. Enjoy a stress-free grooming session with its quiet operation. It's perfect for pets who are sensitive to loud noises. This grooming tool is rechargeable and cordless, providing you with the freedom to move without restrictions. Achieve a neat trim anywhere, anytime. The included paw trimmer is designed to be gentle and safe for your pet's delicate paws. Keep their paws tidy and comfortable with ease. Our quiet nail grinder ensures a smooth and safe experience for your pet's nails. Say goodbye to the anxiety of traditional nail clipping. This versatile grooming kit is suitable for cats and other small pets as well. Keep all your furry friends looking their best. What we like. Designed for cats and other pets, this clipper offers a quiet and cordless grooming experience. It also includes a nail grinder for complete pet care. If you're seeking a peaceful grooming session for your furry friend and want to handle both hair and nails, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The mini clippers are very sharp and cut hair smoothly without snagging. They are lightweight and comfortable to hold, making them easy to maneuver. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several haircuts on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.